Mr. President, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are gathered here to commemorate a day of great significance in the history of our nation, Defense Day. On this day, 6 September 1965, our brave armed forces fought against the foreign invasion, protecting our motherland, showing their courage and bravery. We pay tribute to the heroes who laid down their lives to protect the honor and dignity of our homeland. Their sacrifices shall never be forgotten. We also honor those living legends who fought valiantly and continue to serve our nation with determination. Defense Day reminds us of our strength to protect our freedom and independence. As we celebrate this day, let us remind our commitment towards the safety and security of Pakistan. Let us work together to build a nation more prosperous and secure, where every future generation